Some people go into the tarot and they want to do what we call fortune telling. They want to see what I call the roadmap of what's up ahead. It's like having a guidebook for a video game. Oh, I can see like, oh, this, if I go turn left here, there's going to be this boss. And if I use this weapon, I'll defeat the boss, right? You do this. So you can have that information so that you can make choices in life. That's one of the ways that we can work with the tarot. Another way to work with the tarot is to look at it as an esoteric tool to connect up to divine energy. Another perfectly legitimate way. If you are really an esoteric person, there's Alejandro Jodorowsky is a filmmaker, and he's super into the tarot, and he's written these beautiful esoteric books about like this very deep spiritual wisdom that you can gain. Carl Jung, the famous psychologist, he also was very into the spiritual meaning of it. So you can get very, very spiritual about it. You can use it as a tool. I also teach workshops about working with it magically with tarot cards in a more esoteric way and not in the fortune telling kind of way. But I think most people use the tarot in the way that I use tarot, which is to see a roadmap of what's ahead. Isn't it helpful, like to have Google Maps or to have Waze to show you, oh, well, especially in LA, the freeway's clogged. You don't want to take the freeway. You want to take surface streets. You'll get there faster. It's good to know. So having that kind of roadmap where you can see what's up ahead, or you can use it to sort of be prepared and make different decisions, or make decisions that work with the energies that you see, is a very useful tool. So, but if you look at it all, no matter if you look at it a very esoteric way, a very spiritual way, or you look at it in that very practical, pragmatic, I just want to see what's going on. Either way, you're accessing a deeper wisdom, a deeper universal wisdom that's out there, that's beyond what we can see with our eyes and hear with our ears.